Alright guys, last video you guys saw me install the rear hasport all-wheel drive motor mount and the transfer case. And in this video, I'm hoping this is going to be the last problem that I might have. I ordered a OBX header from eBay, and I will post a link in the description. Here it is right here. So 2002 to 2006 CRV K24a2 header. A1, A2, I don't think it really matters. It's just 4K series. I'm hoping it clears the subframe and the steering rack. I've already put the new exhaust manifold gasket. So let's hope it is the tri-header. There is another header I could have tried from OBX, but I didn't find out till after the fact that it may actually work better than this one. Excuse me. But this one, I feel like tri-headers just make more power in general, so I'm happy that I did order this. I did talk to the company that I ordered it from off of eBay, and they said I can send it back if it does not fit. So thank you guys, and I will post a link of this header from eBay from the same place where I ordered it on in the description box. So the link will be in the description box. But this is for all you guys that are thinking going K-Series all-motor, all-wheel drive. For me, I want to go turbo. This is just for now. The transfer case is just going to be free spinning until I decide to do the rear end and then go turbo. So I'm going to go ahead and set up the camera, open this up, and let's hope that this fits. Alright, OBX sticker, OBX racing sticker. Whew. I am excited to try this on. There it is. Quite honestly, I hope it works. Dang, I hope it works. Oh, it also did come with a gasket, which I have, I like the OEM one, so I don't plan on using this gasket. I like the metal one, but for those that don't want to get an OEM gasket, comes with that. But let me see if I could unravel this a little bit. I'm really excited to get this on. I don't want to destroy the packaging too much, just in case if I do have to send it back. Oh, come on. Alright, there it is. So, it's time to get under there. So, there goes the unboxing video, guys. OBX tri-header. Hoping that this fits and this works out perfect. I am going to go ahead and cut the video here. Next video, you guys will see this. You guys will see that header installed. So I think it looks really good, and I'm hoping it fits. So OBX header, tri-header, 2002 to 2006 CRV. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, but hopefully this works. One way to find out.